Today we're going to discuss some simple frugal lifestyle changes that you can make to save you lots of money in 2024. One of the things is the things you drink. You pay more attention to what you're drinking. If you switch out of sodas, juices, an $8 Starbucks, I'm not saying to do that um, for every drink. You can treat yourself always, because moderation is the key to frugal living and building your wealth. So you can, maybe if you're having Starbucks 5 times a week, you reduce that to 2 times a week and drink water. Water may be maybe not as exciting as a frappuccino or something like that, but you can save a lot by drinking your water, and it's also healthier for you. So there's a long-term effect in that. The other thing that you can do in your lifestyle is avoid late fees. There is absolutely no reason for you to have late fees. That is a total waste of money. And if you're going to live a frugal lifestyle, moderation is the key. You do not want to deprive yourself, but you definitely do not want to waste. Make sure that you're not wasting. And there's no reasons for you to have late fees if you're planning your things properly. Another frugal lifestyle that I've been practicing lately, because I like certain things, the way they fit me a certain way. So I do a lot of secondhand buying. I wear different outfits every day, so it can be expensive when you are an influencer. So you definitely want to consider secondhand buying, because people don't rarely use their stuff until it's completely done. So secondhand buying is a very misunderstood frugal tip. Buying used products. Many people do not understand that good quality that can be found in recycle or vintage shops are extremely reasonable and one of the best frugal habits that you can have. The look and the buy of everything that's high quality and fits you perfectly, as well as fits your budget perfectly. So you definitely want to be able to doing that. These few lifestyle changes that you can make will definitely save you a lot of money with these little frugal habits.
Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, feel free to give me a follow to get updated on new and upcoming episodes, and listen in every Tuesday and Thursday, where I teach you smart money habits so you can make better money choices with a financial goal focus.